Hope you're doing well. In this video here, what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be taking a look at a comb. And that comb is called the Hyoujin 601. Now, I actually misplaced my comb not all that long ago, and I found myself in need of another one since I did misplace it. And well, what happened was I ended up going on to Amazon, and I was searching combs on Amazon, and I came across this one here. And when I saw it, I was like, this is interesting because the comb had a lot of ratings on it. And not only that, the ratings were fairly positive. And then on top of that, it said some quite interesting things along with the comb. And it was also along the lines of what it is that I was looking for in a comb. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and try this one out. And I should also mention the price point for the comb. It was quite affordable. It was actually $5.89, and that is in US dollars. So fairly affordable was what I thought when I did see that. Now, I do have the comb here, and before we take a look at it actually, I'll mention some of the things that I saw with it on Amazon. So it's a black carbon wide tooth comb. It is 100% anti-static. It's heat resistant up to 230 degrees Celsius. It's also a detangling comb, detangler hair comb for long wet hair, and it also says it can straighten curly hair. So quite a few things there that it does say in the actual title over on Amazon. Now, if you would like to take a look at the comb yourself on Amazon, or you'd maybe like to purchase it, I will have an affiliate link in the description. So if you do click on that link and let's say you end up making a purchase, it will support me here. So just so you know that. Okay, so here's the comb. Let's go ahead and give it a look-see now, shall we? Now, let's go ahead and open it on up, and actually I'll read a few things about it first before I do open it up and we give it a look-see, as it does say some interesting things here on Amazon about it. So it says, flawless locks from root to tip. Hyoujin's detangling comb is heat resistant and seamlessly glides through wet or dry hair, distributing styling most evenly so no strand gets left behind. Going down, it says, a must-have comb for a painless solution for tangled tresses. Handcrafted wide tooth design, best for fast and effective detangling and styling on mid to long hair. Our detangling comb features a wide tooth design and the carbon sanded feel made for heat resistance and preventing static. It has a professional design with hand finishing and is great for creating straight and sleek blowouts while keeping hair in place. It also says it detangles knots easily, getting rid of any pesky little knots. Our detangling comb is perfect for using on wet hair before blow drying, leaving your hair silky soft and super smooth. Delicate detangling without damage. And it also has some instructions here on how to use the comb. And I was actually looking for a wide tooth comb specifically, so that was a big part of why I decided to pick this one up here, because it is a wide tooth comb. So let's go ahead and open it on up now. And just a little reminder, the sleeve that it is in is made out of felt. So open it on up. And there's actually a card in there. Looks like a card made from the company that sells the comb. It's a thank you card. It says thank you on the side that's facing me. So let's go ahead and take it out now. Alright, and there is our felt sleeve that the comb comes in. And just some things about the comb which I didn't mention, such as the size and weight of the comb. The size of the comb in centimeters is 19 by 4 by 0.7, and in inches 7.5 by 1.6 by 0.3. And the weight of the comb is 55 grams. And also the sleeve, if you're wondering what it's for carrying the comb and storing it. The felt sleeve here. And the comb itself actually has a matte black look to it. And it's made out of carbon fiber. So yeah, let's go ahead and take the comb out of our sleeve here now. Yeah, felt-like material here. You could tell they put some time into this one. Okay. And if you do want to take a closer look at it, I'll hold it a little closer to the camera. And let me open it up so you can actually see inside a little bit. Can't see too far in though. And here we go. Here is our Hyoujin 601. And it actually says Hyoujin 601 on the comb right there. So yeah, it's our wide tooth comb here. Made out of carbon fiber. That is the material which this comb is made out of. And it is a pretty decent size, as you can see, compared to my hand, for instance. Yeah, it's actually, I'd say it's slightly bigger. Yeah, I'd say it's slightly bigger than my hand. So, pretty decent size, the comb itself here, the length of it. And I believe that about covers it for the Hyoujin 601. Actually, there may be one more thing that we could do that may have slipped my mind, and that is using it to detangle. Now, unfortunately, I don't have too many tangles here, as I did take care of this a little earlier, so not too many tangles, and well, that's the closest we're gonna get there. Alright, that's it for this one. If you want to do the thing, you can do that. Up to you. And I will see you next time, whenever that may be. You have a good one now. Until next time. Bye.